Now, the whole thing about talking about sex is that in my experience, there is still a lot of shame around sex in a variety of different ways, especially around sexual orientation, around child sexual abuse, rape and sexual violence. People still find it very, very difficult to talk about such, encounters. And often people have a lot of shame around sexuality. So one of the important things that I'm hoping to do today is by talking about sex, by knowing what it feels like for both yourself and how you might be with the client, is a very powerful way of accessing what clients might feel in terms of their own shame in talking about sex. And what I've also come to learn is when survivors, especially survivors, find themselves talking about very difficult experiences, they need to be confident that the therapist is able to manage the disclosure, is able to manage the conversation around perhaps sexual practices that have been performed on them without consent, and how shaming that might be, and for the therapist to be robust enough not to feel their own shame or a sense of embarrassment. They need to be able to have somebody bear witness to their sexual experiences in a way that is non-shaming and non-judgmental.